Is the McLaren F1 back? If you thought the McLaren F1 was the pinnacle of automotive design, think again. The legend is reborn in the shape of the Gordon Murray S1LM. Gordon Murray, renowned for his work on the legendary McLaren F1, has once again pushed the boundaries of automotive engineering. His latest creation, the S1LM, is a testament to his visionary approach. The S1LM is built on the T50 chassis, combining advanced aerodynamics with classic GTR styling. It incorporates elements reminiscent of the McLaren F1 with a modern twist. With an inconal exhaust system and 18-karat gold shielding, the S1LM is not only a visual masterpiece, but also a technical marvel. Under the hood lies a 4.3-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine, delivering an impressive 690 horsepower. Paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, this car promises an exhilarating driving experience. Only 5 street-legal examples of the S1LM will be produced, making it a highly exclusive addition to any car enthusiast's collection. Deliveries are expected to begin in 2026. The Gordon Murray S1LM is more than just a car. It's a celebration of engineering excellence and automotive history. From a designer who was involved in one of the best motor cars of the modern era. Stay tuned to Revvclub for more updates and insights into the world of high-performance vehicles. Thank you for watching Revvclub. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting automotive content.